Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the NG content. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to give you the demo, what exactly it is. So there is a one-line definition that I want to introduce. NG content is a powerful feature for the content projection, which allows you to insert content into a component. So if you want to insert the content into a component from outside, making components more reusable and flexible, you can use the ng content. Ng content tag act as a placeholder in component's template. Angular replaces this placeholder with the content passed from the parent component. Let's do that part. Okay. So here you can see that here I have a child component. Here you can see that. Okay, so I have just mentioned the hello, right? And in the my app component or HTML file, here I'm just calling this child one app user, and I have some of the content over there, the title of the card and the description of the card. Because basically whenever we export or use the child component into our template files, this is the way that we just use the app user, and whatever the content in this, it will render. But I want to add some additional title over there. Okay, like this. So I have added shall it will render. Let's have a look. Save this. Let's go and check, and here you can see that it just print the hello. Okay, and if I go, it renders only the hello. Why? Because in our user HTML file, just go to the component, because here we have the template file. Okay, because we have rendered the hello. If I want to render that component.html file content also, in that case I want to use the ng content. Let's read the definition of that one. You can use the ng content element as a placeholder to mark where the content should go. And the one thing that we have added already, ng content insert content into the component from the outside. If you want that one, if I want that content should be shown here, what I need to do, I need to add just ng content. If I just do the ng content over here, so whatever the HTML file content inside it, it will render with the help of the ng content. Let's save it and let's check. And here you can see that the title of the card and this is the description of the card, it will render. So whenever there is a situation where you want to render the content, right, into our main component, right, so here you can see that here I want to add some of the data, right? So in that case, if I want to render that one, I need to use the ng content into our child component. That's it. Okay, let's do some more keywords, what exactly it is, right? So the ng content element is neither a component nor a DOM element, right? Instead, it's a special placeholder that tells Angular where to render the content. Angular compiler process all the ng content elements at a build time. You cannot insert, remove, modify ng content at the runtime. You cannot add directives, styles, arbitrary attributes to the ng content. You should not conditionally include ng content with if condition, for condition, or the switch conditions. Angular always instantiate and create DOM nodes for the content rendered to the ng content placeholder, even if the ng content placeholder is hidden. For conditional rendering of a component content, when you use component with ng content, any children of the component host element are rendered, projected at the location of the ng content. So ng content tells that where the content should go, right? So we have already discussed an example. So in short way, when, whenever you render a child component and there are some elements that you want to render that also in that child component, so you have to go with the ng content, right? So if you add the ng content, so whatever the data or whatever the HTML is there, right, so it will render with the help of the ng content. That's it. Okay, so this is how the ng content work. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.